boys. Late upload. It's 12:30, and I'm just recording it now. I watched Arsenal get slapped up by Newcastle, which was fun. After a break-even day, as you may or may not have watched my last video, which was me just in the trade. But anyway, let's go through the day. Going into the day, I was bullish. Wednesday, so I wanted to see this get swept out. I just want to see some sort of manipulation to go to these previous days high and relative equal highs. So yeah, that was my I wanted to be long. The trade that I took was, I gave it a B rating, and it was this. So it was based off the fact that market maker buy model in the high time frame. I had my, obviously at the start of market open, I had my liquidity pools marked out. I saw these relative equal lows after 7, created after 7. Something on my Mac. So yeah, they were the only real relative equal lows I could see created after 7. So obviously I had that marked out. We come down, we sweep them out. This grey box, you can see it's a little bit faded, but it is the regular trading hours gap. You can see, wait, is that even marked? Probably. Yes. Yeah, so that's the regular trading hours gap. Closed yesterday to today. Had the quadrants marked out, just had it marked out just to see what price we're doing it. So yeah, we sweep this out. We do get this 1 minute, which was nice, but we were in a 3 minute, so I wanted to see that get inversed, and obviously we didn't invest it the first time. We then come up, we invested this candle, and then we retrace back down, get this 1 minute inversion, but I ended off like 30 seconds. Like there was one more 30-second higher up, so I kind of got filled a bit higher. Obviously, if I would have ended off this, I wouldn't have got stopped at break even. I mean, I maybe would have to the tick, but yeah, it's fine. I waited for. I missed out on like 8 points, 10 points. So I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I wanted to see the 30-second get inversed. So yeah, my entry was 7.8, I think. It was right here. 78.75, I believe it was. So my entry was there. Stop was there. First TP there. 1.06. So I actually went break even. I went break even like right here, because I was like, bro, we're like 604, 613. We're 9 points away. I mean, obviously looking back, I mean, we're in a high resistance. Like the candles overlapping each other. It's taking long. Like it shouldn't really have come back down. Should have just went and taken it out. But I mean, looking back, if I would have just kept my stop there the whole day, I would have printed. But anyway, got stopped out break even on that trade. I think I went break even a bit too early today, but looking back, it was high resistance. I didn't really want to see it come back down to the entry. After we just on the 5 minute as well, we had just reacted off of this order block, and we were now pushing up. This was it. This was the candle right here, where it this one bounces off of this order block. There, wicks it, goes up, and then we're 9 points away. I go break even. Was wrong looking back, but yeah, I would have been in it otherwise for 10:34 until 11:08. Would have been in it for half an hour. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just high resistance. I mean, yeah, on high resistance days, you're not supposed to move your stops break even too early. Just let the trade be high resistance and play out. So yeah, looking back, a bit of a mistake, but we live, we learn. I think it was a good trade. Obviously, right bias. I then locked my account because I was like, this is high resistance. I don't want to just enter, get chopped up. I might have ended this short and went break even there. I think I ended that on my demo because I was just messing around my demo, and then I turned the charts off after that. So I was like, I'm not really sure what it's going to do. I still want to see the previous day's high, but I feel like I would have just. This is a deep retracement, and obviously on high resistance you get deep retracements. I've learned that from SCT. So yeah, need to get used to trading them, I guess. Just not moving my stop too early. Because on a low resistance day like this would have just took it out, we wouldn't have got this deep retracement. That wouldn't have happened on a low resistance day, but high resistance, I noticed it early. I said since open really, since this chop, I was like, okay, we're in high resistance. Yeah, I mean, it's a little mistake. It's not that I'm not gonna beat myself up over it. Because I just want to see it taken, and then I would went break even 1-to-1. I'm trying to go break even, take one partial 1-to-1, and then let the trade go break even and let the trade run. Trying to take 75%. I'm gonna try and most of my trades with free contracts now, because even if I have a 40-point stop, if I have a 50-point stop, then it'll be 2 contracts. But anything under 50, I'm gonna try and a free contracts from now on, because then 40-point stop, it will be 240 that I'm risking. 30-point stop, it will be 180 that I'm risking. And with my backtesting, I've done every, no matter how big the stop was, I've done every trade with free contracts. And obviously with my backtesting, it's been good recently. I think I'm actually done now, yeah. So I can't even show it. But it's a bit annoying. I'm gonna buy that again. Probably after next week, because I'm working like every evening next week. Something I'm not gonna pay for a week. I'm not gonna use it. So yeah, next week I'll only be able to trade from like 2:30 till 4:30. I mean, it's still morning session, so it's fine. I'll be able to trade morning session. That's all I really like trading either way. I'm not comfortable with afternoon yet, so hopefully we get some good setups in the morning next week. From around 9:30 New York time until 11:15ish, 11ish. I mean, 9:30 to 11 is morning session, so morning session is only an hour and a half. But I like to go to like 12 New York time most times, because it's like the start of lunch, I guess. I don't know. I just like to go from 9:30 till 12, and then 12 till 1:30 is lunch, and then 1:30 till 3:30ish. Maybe 4. But yeah, I'll show my executions. Oh, there. Just to show you that I took the trade. Obviously, the video's up anyway. So yeah, 578.75 around there. I waited for the we had a. I traded for this to get versed, so like then I'm confident. Yeah, I mean, I think it was a good trade, good setup. Waited for the pullback. We actually wicked. Nice inversion. 3-minute and 2-minute. Break structure in 5-minute. Yeah, we wicked the If you look at the picture, look how nicely we just wick. This is the 2-minute inversion. This red box. This blue box is the first fair value gap up that takes out liquidity. So it takes out this. And this is the first fair value gap. And obviously this is the CISD, the close below them. But I wasn't looking for shorts. And by the time we got the CISD, we'd already taken out the sell side. So yeah, I want to see how price reacted off of this. Obviously it inverses it and re-inverses it, but it comes down just to wick the 2-minute inversion. And tap this order block 1 minute, and then we get a nice inversion. And 30-second, I just waited for. I mean, yeah, I should have just taken off 1 minute, because in my back testing I don't use the 30-second, so I'm gonna just try it, keep off 30-second, and wait. I mean, it's extra confirmation, made me more confident in the trade, but just got off the 1 minute. It's a nice V shape. Should have just entered there. But yeah, little mistake today. Not that big a deal. But it's still a bit annoying. And then we did get this was a nice setup, this inversion right here. But it was high resistance. This was now going into lunch, kind of, yeah, just not perfect conditions today. Price played out nice. It did play out nice, like, but the candles weren't nice, if you know what I mean. That was a high resistance day. But looking back, price played out nice. Sweep sell side, we come up, we go down, rejection block right here. We come up, we invest this, that could be a trade, but I'm waiting for the 2-minute. Come down, we tap the order block, we hold. There's no fair value up there, but we wick into the 3-minute and the 2-minute. 3-minute order block, 2-minute order block. Do we tap the 5-minute order block? We tap. Then we get a nice inversion. Bang. High resistance. I go break even too early. That's my mistake. But yeah, I mean, I would have made like 200ish, 180ish if I hadn't gone break even. But I'm not trying to focus on the money. I'm just trying to focus on taking good setups, and I feel like I have been recently. Yeah, I mean, I gave the other day a B. Again, break even. Nah, I don't know. I mean, this is a tough day as well, bro. But I mean, with the rules after 11:30, you look for the easiest single low. I mean, it was going to be taken according to ICT's rules, so I mean, I should have been more confident. But I'm still only September, October, November, December, January. I'm now going into my 6th month after learning ICT. Before that, I started in May learning TGR. But that's literally just the basics. That's like literally learning what a fair value gap is, what a liquidity sweep is. After I started learning ICT and more in depth, I only really count that as where it truly started, I guess. So since September, I count as where I like truly started my trading journey. I've only watched 2024 mentorship, and I'm gonna try get through that and then watch 2022, and then maybe some core content. So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna try to slowly get through it all. I'm still gonna trade inversions because that's just my model. I like it the most. It sticks out to me. I think they're clean. So yeah, I mean, not a bad day. Followed my rules. Went break even a little bit too early, but I learned. High resistance days, obviously, I already knew not to move your stop, but it's tough, It's tough when it's 9 points away and you're just like, bro, like, just go to it. But yeah, it is what it is. Come back tomorrow. ICT says not to trade Thursday and Friday on NFP weeks, but I mean, I think this was NFP week. Yeah, this must have been NFP week, and we hit some nice trades. I mean, Thursday was obviously rubbish, clearly. I took no trades. Let me look back at that. Let me just quickly look back at Thursday. Still got a 5 minute. I mean, yeah. Thank God we took no trades, and then we left equal lows. I mean, that was nice. We sorted that out, and I'm pretty sure we got like a good 3 minute inversion on this day, if I can remember correctly. Wait, did I not do? Why did I skip? Wait, this might be a different Thursday. January 10th. Oh, bruh, there's no chart review. Anyway, this Thursday, I'm pretty sure we got like a nice 3 minute inverse. No 2 minute. No? What did we get? 1 minute? Is that 1 minute? I thought it was higher. Yeah, okay, there it is. Bang. Inverse. Maybe wait for the CISD, enter there, stop above there, equal lows, bang. So that was a nice trade. I missed that one. Obviously, at this time, I was only trading to 11. But now I'm starting to go to 12 because I've seen some nice setups form after 11. So yeah, next week I won't be able to trade until 12, only till like 11, half 11. So hopefully we get some good setups in that time. But I'll review price after anyway, and I need a little bit of money so I can keep it for these funded accounts and have a source of income so I'm not relying on trading at the moment. I'm only going to earn £350 next week. I mean, it's alright, it's good enough. But yeah, anyway, you don't need to know about that. Or do you? But yeah, decent day. Hopefully tomorrow is good, and Friday. And I shall see you later.